At $150 right now.
Dwayne's the second one.
Here he comes.
See his little lights lighting up. Dwayne's the second one coming in.
Yeah, he's in the first heat. Yeah. Oh, Steven has to do some stuff with them.
All right, folks, we're getting pretty close to starting. Sean is checking them in. Don't forget to thank the local fire department. They are here for safety, and they're a big help. Give them a good hand, ladies and gentlemen. They come every year, and we can't do it without them. I presume they're all gentlemen. I haven't seen them take their hats off, so I can't tell. They do have some nice ladies on the fire department as well. Nice crowd here this afternoon.
All right, the
he didn't run out of gas. I thought he probably run out of gas.
So our auction van is driven by Gene Edgecombe out of Westport Island in number 131. Number 13 is Keith Kowalczyk of Topsom. Number 50 is Dwayne Evans of Bodenham. And number 22 is Zachary Cressy of Bowden.
All right, our next thing, we'll wait for the loaders to come in, and then Sean to give us a thumbs up. Oh, here's one loader. Two loaders.
Come on, Wayne.
Woohoo! Go, Dwayne.
Thumbs up, calm down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch the driver go.
Come on, Dwayne.
Ladies and gentlemen, the others are on the floor. It's not done yet. They're on the floor.
It's not done. They each get to be on the clock. If they get their vehicle started and moved, then they can go. If they can't, then that's it.
He got hit hard. Him. Yeah, he went like this really
Having a good
fast.
time out there? Oh, you start your car up? Oh, good body shot. You could have that back going into the...
I think that dude's right. This right.
Not anymore. It's not going to take a sticker. Absolutely. I told him it might not take a sticker now. He said it's good before, and he said, we live in Maine, it could take a sticker.
That's it. Give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. You don't even need it locked out.
Number 13 and number 22 are the ones that are going to the feature.
Does he need help getting out?
Get your 50-50 tickets.